Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you a basic guide how you can create a presentation with a PowerPoint, but then I would like to use this Google Slide application. Download the Google Slide, guys, because it can also helping you to work with your mobile phone. So Google Slide will be symbolized with this. So you just need to open your App Store or Google Play Store to find this application to install it on your phone. And right after that, you just need to sign in with your Google account right here. And right after that, tap into the plus button. There could be two options. There could be a template and new presentation with a blank without any format on it. So if you want to go with simple way, just tap into the choose templates. There could be a lot of templates that you can use and apply for your presentation, and then you just need to go tap one of them. Pick one of the template that looks gorgeous, and then just need to tap on it, and you will got this super easy template. So you just need to change the picture as well as the text information of it. And right after you're done, you just need to save it. And if you want to see the result, just tap into this play button and tap present to this device. And then the file will be start to presenting the slides for you. So that is the simplest way how you can create a presentation with your phone. Hopefully you enjoy this tutorials today, and let's meet again into other tutorial.